If tan alpha equal to n tan beta and sin alpha equal to m sin beta, then prove that cos square alpha equal to 1 minus m square divided by 1 minus n square. Then we have to write the solution, and here tan alpha equal to m tan beta, or m equal to tan alpha by tan beta, and tan alpha equal to sin alpha by cos alpha, and tan beta is sin beta by cos beta. Then law of fraction, I think you better know fraction laws. यदि इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करने पर इसका क्या होगा, रेसिप्रोकल यहाँ पर आएगा cos बीटा बाई sin बीटा, और m इक्वल टू sin अल्फा cos बीटा डिवाइडेड बाय cos अल्फा sin बीटा, and sin अल्फा इक्वल टू m sin बीटा. Therefore, m equal to sin alpha by sin beta. Now, we have to prove that cos square alpha equal to m minus n square, 1 minus m square by 1 minus n square. So, we have to write their RH is taking, okay. The RH is equal to 1 minus m square divided by 1 minus n square. After that, substitute the value of m and n. The 1 minus m is sin alpha by sin beta, so you have to write there sin square alpha by sin square beta. 1 minus n square, the value of n is, there is, I think there is n, यहाँ पर n है, m by mistakenly आ गया m, n is equal to value of n is sin square alpha cos square beta divided by cos square alpha sin square beta. Equal to sin square beta minus sin square alpha divided by sin square beta, then divided by, there is also LCM of this. LCM कितना आ जाएगा, cos square minus sin square beta, and there is cos square alpha into sin square beta minus sin square alpha into cos square beta. There is sin square cancel, and this cos square is multiplied in the numerator form. So there is cos square alpha into sin square beta minus sin square alpha divided by, there is cos square into sin square. So we have to cos is change in sin square because there is in the form of sin square beta minus sin square beta, और हमको लाना है कितना, cos square. इसको sin में चेंज कर देने के बाद इतना आ जाएगा, जो कैंसिलेशन होने के बाद cos square आ जाएगा, जो हमारे पास LHS प्रूव हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे आ गया 1 minus sin square alpha and sin square beta minus sin square alpha, and this is the 1 minus sin square beta. There is cos square alpha sin square beta minus sin square alpha, then sin square beta and minus sin square alpha into sin square beta. There is also minus plus minus sin square alpha, and minus minus plus sin square alpha into sin square beta. There is cancel, plus minus होने के कारण cancel. Then there is sin square beta minus sin square alpha, and denominator form there is also sin square beta minus sin square alpha. This is the cancel. Then we have the remaining cos square alpha, which is the LHS. Proved. Okay, thank you all of you.